you there?
Good. Good. Why?
You guys are okay there?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
You know why do you keep saying
There we go. Sun is almost coming up.
no? Yeah.
So ayan guys, magandang umaga. Finally, this is our road trip vacation. It's gonna be a 12 hours drive.
No.
So nakaisang oras na kami, pinag-drive ko muna si wife para makapagpahinga ako ng konti, makaintip ako ng konti. Guys, done eating your breakfast? You still okay, mommy? So yan, hayaan ko lang siya mag-drive ng ilang oras pa, tapos magpapalit na kami. Tapos dire-diretso na tayo sa pupuntahan namin. So yan guys, we'll see you later.
Ay. Mommy, close here. Open here, Mom. Mom, I'm at one.
Ready?
Ready. Ready.
Ayan, nakapasok na kami dito sa British Columbia. So papalapit na kami ng papalapit sa aming destinasyon.
No, Dad.
And yeah, kita-kita tayo mamaya. See you guys! Alright. Medyo mahal ang gas dito sa British Columbia. It's $1.83. So ayan, 3 oras na lang.
Don't let.
Makakarating na kami. Tapusin na natin to. Let's go!
Will they tell the news my water bottle is missing?
No.
Why? We'll find it.
So, magpapalipas na muna kami ng gabi dito sa may British Columbia sa Kelowna. At bukas paggising namin ng umaga, doon na lang kami didiretso ng Vancouver. So, bali umalis kami ng alas 4 ng madaling araw dito sa Alberta sa amin. At ngayon dito sa British Columbia ay alas 4 na ng hapon. So 12 oras na kami dito sa kalye, sa kalsada. Kasama na doon yung pag stopover namin, pagpapahinga, pag-stretch. So ayun, tignan natin kung ano ang mangyayari pagdating namin sa Kelowna at para makapagpahinga na rin. And kita-kita tayo doon. We'll see you guys later. And guys, and finally nakarating na kami dito sa Kelowna. At nakahanap na rin ng pagpapahingahan sa hinaba-haba ng aming binyahe. Sa wakas, dito na kami, makakapagpahinga na kami. And another 4 hours drive bukas para makarating kami sa Vancouver. Ma-meet natin yung ating set of family doon. And ayan, nandiyan sila. Nagpapahinga na, nakiga na. Kai! Hello!
What? How would
Faith sleeping, mommy is laying down already. Bilis lang yung mga pangyayari kanina. Nung nakahanap na kami ng tutuluyan, nakahanap na rin kami ng pagkakainan. Tapos, ayan, pahinga na para makapaghanda na para bukas. Yeah. Alright guys, we'll see you on the day 2. Bye-bye! Day 2! Alright! Ayan, ito na yung day 2 namin. Drive around lang kami dito sa downtown ng Kelowna and then didiretso na kami sa Vancouver for another 4 hours drive. Alright, we'll see you guys later.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow.
So ayan guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa... Ano ba tawag dito, Mami? Nandito kami ngayon sa Kelowna, sa Marina Bay yata ang tawag nila dito. So doon sa maraming mga yacht club. Maraming mga nagbo-boating dito. Mga sumasakay sa kanilang mga yate. Ayan, ang presko dito ng hangin, ng sarap, mag-relax. In few minutes lang mabiyahe na kami papuntang Vancouver. So another 4 hours drive. Maya-maya lang alis na kami. Mabiyahe na naman. So I guess we'll see you later. Let's go.
먼지 투성이 hands are trembling right now. Right now. Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now. Right now. Nobody's stopping us from fly. Don't kill this mood, just singing na 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 na. Won't make it harder for your mind. Just dancing on the water right now. I've been swimming and swimming, swimming into the deep end. I've been looking and looking, looking around me lately. I've been falling and rolling, really nothing on. Dancing up to the water right now.
One more hour!
Abbots Sport!
What's that? What?
Alright. How are you guys?
But good. Good.
So ayan, nag-stopover lang kami dito sa Abbotsford. Umuulan na dito, malapit na kami, konting days na lang. It was a fun drive, eh?
No, it wasn't.
So far so good naman, enjoy the road, maganda yung view. Puro pababa, puro pataas. Alright, let's go! Finally guys, touchdown. We're here. Thank you Lord.